What's going on, everybody? Time for a garden update. It's been about a month, but just so you know, if you need a good dog, that's how you know you got a good dog. You leave anything out and it tears it up, so then I have to pick it up. Wonderful dog. Everybody needs at least 2 or 3 of them. But anyway, so let's do a little quick garden update. Just for the record, just so everybody knows, this is actually our second garden. We actually had to replant it because right after I left and shot the video, this gate was left open. So I had a old cow that I had in our place, and trying to put weight on her with some feed before we got rid of her. She walked through the gate and decided to mow everything down. So wife had to replant it while I was gone. So we're giving it another shot. But you can see here's our cucumbers. Oh, this is cucumbers planted up against this cattle panel so to grow up. I don't think we've picked anything off of it yet. Let's see. The corn stalks going up pretty good. Let's see. We got some nice zucchini coming in. Check that out. Letting that go just a little bit more. Let's see. This vine here, that'd be a watermelon or strawberry. I think we've picked like 1 strawberry off this thing so far. So, not too much going on there. Watermelon, same thing. Next year we're definitely gonna have to come up with more. The jalapenos, you see there's a jalapeno right there. I think this row here is basically all jalapenos. Zucchini, or squash, I'm sorry. And this is our tomato plants, all on this row. We've got, they're starting to come out. I'm just waiting for them to turn red. But, so yesterday we decided to give these peppers a try. So if you're in the market for some hot peppers, these dragon Cayennes, yes, we tried them yesterday, and I'll just tell you, like right here, these little guys here, I don't know, I took a bite of this thing and it felt like fire ants were biting my tongue. Like, it's pretty bad. Even if you pick them and just smell them, like, look at these guys. Man, I'm not interested. But they're gonna make good for some salsa and some hot pickles. But like I say, man, if you're in the market for some hot peppers, those guys right there are rough. Maybe we'll do a video with a couple of my friends. We'll video it and sampling them. But yeah, you pull them off the stem, dude, or pull them off the stem, and you can just smell it, and it is tough. But this is about a month after planting, so here's the little garden update. We'll have more to come. Take care, guys.